What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to do, it's only a quick one, just to like a little update sort of video on what it is actually like to drive this Bongo like as a daily. I don't really daily it, I've got two other cars and the wife's got a car, so I don't need to daily it, but I find myself in it quite a lot because it's like really practical. Obviously it's a van, so it's like bigger than a car, like in terms of having to park it and stuff like that, but it's not that actually that much bigger. There's you can see all around you, which is great. You've got the reverse mirror on the back that like points down, so you can get into spaces quite easy. I've done well, I'm actually about to do a reverse camera before I'm literally just about to go and film putting it in. So, but the video will already be up, so click the link up there and you can see me putting that in. That is going to help massively with reversing and seeing behind, but when it's like day to day, you've got the automatic gearbox, it's easy, just off you go, no clutch to worry about or anything like that, just get in it and go. Fuel isn't great, I think I'm getting like 30 maybe mpgs, which isn't the end of the world, but none of my cars are really good on fuel, so if anything this is probably one of the better ones. But if you're used to like a 50 mpg Volkswagen Up or whatever, I don't know what people drive, it's nowhere near as good as them. But if you're used to a V8 Mustang or something that's doing like 10 miles per gallon, you're in for a good time. But yeah, if you're thinking about dailying one, like you're thinking about selling your main car because you want a camper slash day van Bongo, but you're gonna have to drive it around in the week to work and all that, go for it. I say go for it, it's awesome. It gets under all the car parks that I need to, like in terms of the height. The main one I need to go is along a pier. I'm going to do a little video on why I always go at that pier soon, but you have to subscribe below to find out why. But that's got a 2 metre head height. Now I haven't got the AFT thing on the roof, but because I'm a tin top, but I mean, what's that, an extra 6 inches or so? I don't know what they are. So yeah, it's not going to be a massive deal. But yeah, anyway, I just thought I'd just make a quick video, that was all, just to enlighten you on what it's like to drive a Bongo. So if you did like the video, give us a like down below, subscribe if you're new, you know what to do. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys.